Census Search provides up-to-date, detailed information about any asset exposed to the public internet. We know that responders are going to have dozens of places to look for information during an incident, so integrating your security tools becomes critical to quickly triaging an incident. Let's take a look at the Census integration to Splunk SOAR. Pretty much any integration to Census is going to ask for your organization ID as well as a API token, which you can create here, or you can use an existing one if you've got it handy. You can download the Census integration to Splunk SOAR in minutes, plug in those two pieces of information, and you're fully configured. You can see that we're looking at the events, which are very unrealistically empty here, but let's see if anything new shows up. All right, we just got an alert from another system that says there was a suspicious outbound connection to this unknown external IP address. Maybe a large volume of information was uploaded, triggering the alert. You can see that we've got a simple playbook set up that anytime an event includes an external IP address, we're going to reach out to Census to learn what we can about it. So there's no DNS information available for this. There is whois information. We can see what networks this lives on, geolocation information, all of the services that are currently running on this endpoint, and any vulnerabilities associated with those services. We'll come back to this threat name in just a second. In addition to all of that, that's just the summary for viewing there in the UI, but we've got a ton of information about this, every service, all the certificates. Maybe we want to dig in and find a little more information. This could also be done via a playbook. All of this information is available to the tool here. But let's grab the certificate fingerprint, one of the certificates that is being presented by this endpoint. We can go to Actions, look up certificate. The asset we configured is called Census Search. We'll put in that fingerprint, and Splunk will go ask Census more about this certificate. So there we go. This will tell us who issued this certificate, where was it issued to. In this case, they're the same, which means it's self-signed. We can see that it's attached to one of the main Alibaba addresses, domain names in this case. We can see when it was issued and how long it's valid for. And then, as before, we have a lot more information available to the tool. I said we were going to look at that threat. So Census is telling you that this is a known piece of malicious infrastructure attached to a threat known as RedGuard. So already you know this is a problem. But maybe you want more information about this threat. We can again go up to the actions. And this time we're just going to instigate a search with Census. So I searched for all threats named RedGuard. So in addition to the one that we were already looking at, we have 9 others now. So if that first one we decided was bad and is on our radar, now that we know that our organization is exposed to this RedGuard infrastructure, if that first one needs to be blocked, all of these others need to be blocked as well. So that's a quick view into the integration and how it can speed up triaging your incidents. Thanks.